Guys, Saku13 here, playing as Sans, as always. This is Pixel Gun again. This time, I'm not going to be going on campaign mode. Oh, sorry, I thought I heard something. Anyway, this time I will be going on battle mode. So many places to pick. Paradise Resort, Toy Factory, Area 52, Scary Pizzeria, and so many modes. What should I pick? See. I don't really know what to pick. I think I'm gonna go for Coop Survival so y'all can see my skills with, killing a bunch of enemies and whatnot. I am going to kill so many people now. Let's get it. Wow, it's taking forever. Alright, give me a second. Alright, here we go. Chainsaw! Oop. Gotcha. Hey, effer. What? You just killed my kill there. Hey, effer. Yeah, that's right. I stole your kill, you little jacknut. You know, screw it. I'm using a gun. Where's everybody? Oh, there's one, I think. Oh, wait, no, I was hallucinating. Oh. Why is it going back inside? And then it attacks me the moment that it goes all the way inside. Coward. Totally just shot that head there. Even though it was somebody else. Don't blame me. Oh! This... Actually, I'm gonna act like a douche here. I'm gonna knock everybody out of the field with this gun. Dang it. Aha, you flew. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I gotta pause for a second. Okay, I'm back. My bad, I took a minute. Oh, Summoner's War. Burn! Die in a fire! Die in a fire, bitches. Oh, shoot. Got... Whoop. Miss. Sucker. Oh, dang. I didn't see that coming. Hey. Totally just you there. Little ugly thing. Grenade kill. What? That made no sense. Okay, I'm just slicing y'all guys up. Now I'm annoyed. Slice, slice, slice. Anybody else want to get cut? Y'all plants here? Cut, 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 cut. I'm just gonna cut straight to the point. I saw you. Saw pun. Chainsaw pun. That wizard is like doing a bad job. Dang it, I had it. Oh wait, I killed that one. I'm like getting a lot of points. See, I'm like a boss here. Oh dang, I didn't see that. What kind of gun is that? There we go. Hey, effer, come here. Don't run away. Stop killing my kills. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna act like a complete douche to you. Hey, you, effer. I'm going to kill you. Don't care anymore. Dang it! You standing there like a douche, you little D-bag. At least I got some EXP. I think I leveled up, right? Yay! Awesome. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. See you later. And have a good day. Sans pun. Alright, bye.